All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We got a special one for you today. We got a 1988 Acura Integra, something you don't really see very often at all. We're here with Brent, of course, Great Lakes Vintage Honda on Instagram. Be sure to check him out on there.
So this is a 1988 first gen Integra. They actually brought this car out in 1986, was the first model year. And this was sort of the start of the Acura brand in the mid 80s. They had the Legend sedan and they came out with the Integra right around the same time. So the first two model years, 86, 87, they sold them in two trim models, the LS and the RS. The RS was sort of kind of the more basic spec, this is more to the race spec if you want, but the LS was the luxury sport, I guess, spec, which came with a power sunroof,
Okay.
power door locks, power windows, which is commonplace today, but back then that was like big stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And then in 1988 they sort of they did a little facelift to the car, and they came out with this, which was called the Special Edition, which they made 2500 in white on white.
Oh, really?
White with
Wow.
white wheels.
Okay.
And they made 2500 which were black with gold wheels. And there were a few things that set these apart from the other run-of-the-mill LS at that time. You got these white side skirts.
Yeah.
In this example, at least, it's white. And sort of this foam whale tail, if you
Okay.
would like, which is
Yeah, I saw that.
very 80s. Very
Yeah.
80s. So
Absolutely.
only the special editions came with those two, I guess, body packages from the factory.
Awesome. You got the flip-up headlights.
Yep.
I love those.
Yeah.
A little walk around. So this is like a foam?
Yep.
Wow.
And a lot of these over the years got dried, cracked, and have disintegrated. This car actually spent the majority of its life in Southern California and then on to the Phoenix area, so it's always been in a warm weather climate until it actually came up here.
Awesome. Yeah, it's incredibly clean. I don't even know if I've seen one of these before.
These are, most of these rusted away over the years. And, of all the special editions that are probably still out there, there may be, I don't know, 25 or 50 that are still actually on the road.
Damn. Incredible.
So this was a dual overhead cam Honda engine. I think it was also a 1.6 liter, similar to the Civic Si and the CRX Si, although obviously those are single cam. This was a dual overhead cam.
Okay. Nice, man. Super clean.
Thank you. It's kind of funny, back in those days they didn't even put Acura or a badge or anything on the car at that time.
Oh, they didn't?
No. From the front, you would not know.
Yeah, I never knew that. That's cool. But they put them on the Hondas, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. They did have them on the Hondas of the 80s.
Interesting.
I think Acura was still kind of finding themselves early on.
Yeah, I can see that. Beautiful interior. All right, we'll stick around. We're going to take this baby for a drive. Healthy in the high revs. Easy to heel toe. And of course the transmission just feels incredible. I'll show you a couple of shifts. Nice and easy. My favorite shifts, you know what I'm saying? It's that Honda stuff. Alright everyone, well thanks for watching. It's been an incredible day driving classic Hondas. Be sure to follow Brent on Great Lakes Vintage Honda on Instagram. Like and subscribe so I can keep doing videos like this. Love you guys. Thank you.